All right, so this one is a lot like the VRC1 course where it's a curve. You have to maintain the curve. And then a slalom. So this one, I have to go a little bit slower. Because I'm scraping peg. So it's all about enter and exit speed when you do this. So I'm entering a little bit, like I accelerate to the turn and then I decelerate or brake beforehand. So this side I can't do it. Because of my exhaust. So this time I'm actually just doing what I'm supposed to do. Freaking exhaust in the way. Can't wait to get the FDR so I don't have to do that. That was that exercise. I do not feel as comfortable. Here's the thing is I don't feel as comfortable doing my right-hand turns. I just don't. I get a little freaked out because the exhaust is scraping, and when the exhaust takes up or when it hits, I just have this fear in the back of my mind that it's gonna push up that rear tire and cause the rear tire to lose all traction, and that's just scary to me. So I'm just not used to that because of I'm used to the Tracker 2-in-1.
Nicely done.
I was trying to scrape as much as I could.
Well, you're definitely going to have to go like this.
Yeah.
You have more tire traction so you can roll more.
Mm-hmm.
These two are definitely gone. But
Yeah. I was really trying to practice. That's the hardest thing for me to do.
I mean, you can ride a cruiser like a sport bike, but you cannot ride a sport bike like a cruiser.
Yeah.